Welcome to the Deep Dive, where we explore complex topics and try to get some valuable insights. Today, we're going to be delving into the world of AI research. Specifically, we're going to be looking at a paper from DeepSeek-AI, and it's called DeepSeek-R1, Incentivizing Reasoning Capability in LLMs via Reinforcement Learning.
Okay.
This paper details their groundbreaking work on imbuing large language models with reasoning capabilities, a significant step towards creating AI that can truly think.
So the research team over at DeepSeek-AI, their goal is to move large language models beyond just simple pattern recognition and into the realm of logical thought. This has really been a challenge that has puzzled researchers for years. Traditional LLMs, as they are, they excel at, identifying patterns,
Right.
but they struggle when faced with tasks that require like step-by-step logical thinking,
Yeah.
the kind that we humans use to solve complex problems.
So DeepSeek AI, how did they approach this? It seems like they combine several techniques,
Yeah.
but reinforcement learning looks like that's taking center stage.
Yeah, that's really the core of it.
So in essence, they've created a virtual training ground
Mm-hmm.
where their AI model, DeepSeek-R1, learns by interacting with its environment,
Right.
receiving rewards for actions that lead to the desired outcome. And this kind of mimics how we humans learn, right, through trial and error,
Exactly.
gradually refining our strategies based on the feedback we get.
So to optimize this learning process, they utilize a technique called Group Relative Policy Optimization, or GRPO.
GRPO.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so what this specialized algorithm does is it enhances the efficiency of the AI's learning by comparing its performance to that of a group of similar AIs. Think of it like a classroom setting
Okay.
where, students learn not only from their own mistakes, but also by observing and competing with their peers.
Interesting.
This comparative learning allows the AI to identify successful strategies much more quickly.
So the results of this training regime, they're actually quite impressive. DeepSeek-R1 was put to the test on several benchmarks that were specifically designed to assess reasoning skills. One of these was the AE,
Yeah.
the American Invitational Mathematics Examination. This is a notoriously challenging exam aimed at top-performing high school students.
Right.
And get this, DeepSeek-R1 achieved an accuracy of 79.8% on this exam, even surpassing the scores of some human participants.
So this achievement really signals a significant leap forward in AI capabilities. It really suggests that, AI is not merely catching up to human intelligence in certain domains, but now it's capable of exceeding it.
Yeah, I can see that.
The implications of this are profound,
Yeah.
particularly in fields like scientific research where complex problem solving is so important.
Another benchmark where DeepSeek-R1 excelled was Code Forces. This is a platform where programmers from around the world compete by solving challenging coding problems.
It's a very popular platform.
Yeah. DeepSeek-R1 achieved a rating that placed it ahead of 96.3% of human participants, demonstrating its proficiency in understanding code structure, logic, and algorithms. Essentially, this AI is already outperforming a vast majority of human coders on this platform.
So this achievement, it underscores the potential of reasoning AI to really transform the software development landscape.
Yeah.
Imagine a future where, AI systems can not only write code, but also debug, optimize, and even design entirely new software architectures.
Wow.
And this would free up human developers to focus on more of the creative, strategic aspects of software development.
Now, the paper goes on to detail the development of DeepSeek-R10, a model trained purely through reinforcement learning without any initial fine-tuning. This means that it started as a blank slate, devoid of any pre-existing knowledge or biases, and learned everything through its interactions within the training environment.
Right. And what's really fascinating about that is that DeepSeek-R10, through this self-directed learning process, started to exhibit complex reasoning behaviors that were not explicitly programmed into it.
Wow.
One of the most notable behaviors observed was what the researchers called reflection.
Reflection.
Yeah, it started reevaluating its own steps. During problem solving, much like a human would pause to reconsider their approach when faced with a challenging puzzle.
Interesting.
This wasn't a programmed instruction, this was just an emergent behavior. And this signifies a key step towards genuine problem-solving abilities in AI.
The research paper even recounts an anecdote where DeepSeek-R10 appeared to have an aha moment while tackling a particularly difficult math problem. It initially tried a conventional approach, failed. Then it seemed to pause and rethink its strategy before arriving at a novel solution. This event, though anecdotal, does provide a glimpse into the inner workings of this self-learning AI and how it mirrors certain aspects of human cognition.
Right. So this ability to independently develop and refine problem-solving strategies without explicit instructions is a key indicator of genuine learning and adaptation.
Right.
DeepSeek-R1's achievements, suggest that we may be on the cusp of AI that can not only learn but also think creatively and independently.
Now, while these large models are impressive, their sheer size and computational demands, they can be a limiting factor for widespread adoption. So DeepSeek AI addressed this by distilling the reasoning power of their large models into smaller, more efficient versions.
Yeah.
Imagine taking a vast library and condensing its essence into a concise handbook.
Right.
That's essentially what they achieved.
So this distillation process, it involves training smaller, pre-trained language models using the vast knowledge and problem-solving strategies acquired by the larger models.
Uh-huh.
This allows these smaller models to achieve comparable reasoning performance while requiring significantly less computational power, making this cutting-edge technology much more accessible and practical for real-world applications. Imagine, these distilled reasoning models integrated into educational software, personalized tutoring systems, even your smartphone assistant.
Right.
The potential is really vast.
And in a truly commendable move, for the advancement of the field, DeepSeek AI has open-sourced both their large models and the distilled versions.
Yeah.
This allows researchers worldwide to study, build upon, and further advance their work, potentially accelerating the development of even more sophisticated AI systems.
It's great.
This spirit of open collaboration fosters a global effort towards unlocking the full potential of AI.
This open source approach really democratizes access to cutting edge AI technology.
Right.
It allows researchers and developers worldwide to contribute to the advancement of the field, and this kind of collaborative spirit, I think it could really lead to an explosion of innovation.
Yeah.
And accelerate the development of even more powerful and sophisticated AI systems.
So the potential applications of these reasoning AI models extend far beyond research labs. One area where they could have a profound impact, I think, is education.
Mm-hmm.
Imagine AI-powered tutoring systems that can adapt to each student's individual learning style,
Right.
providing personalized instruction and support. These systems could analyze a student's strengths and weaknesses, identify areas where they need additional help, and tailor their teaching methods accordingly.
Yeah, these AI-powered tutors could provide students with a truly personalized learning experience, catering to their unique needs and helping them to achieve their full potential.
Yeah.
And such a system could revolutionize education,
Right.
making it more accessible, engaging, and effective for learners of all ages and backgrounds.
Beyond education, reasoning AI could revolutionize scientific research. Imagine AI systems that can analyze vast data sets, identify patterns that would be impossible for humans to spot,
Yeah.
and even generate hypotheses for scientists to test. This could significantly accelerate the pace of scientific discovery, leading to breakthroughs in fields ranging from medicine to climate science.
And this acceleration in research could lead to the development of new life-saving drugs, innovative solutions to combat climate change, and a deeper understanding of the universe itself.
The potential benefits for humanity are enormous. The implications of reasoning AI extend far beyond specialized fields like education and research.
Uh-huh.
It has the potential to really reshape our everyday lives. Consider AI-powered personal assistants that can truly understand our needs and preferences, manage our schedules, organize our information, and even provide us with personalized recommendations.
Right. These AI assistants could act as proactive partners in our daily lives,
Yeah.
anticipating our needs, helping us to make informed decisions, and freeing up our cognitive resources to focus on tasks that require human creativity and intuition.
While the potential benefits of reasoning AI are vast, it's important to acknowledge the potential challenges that come with such powerful technology. One concern is the possibility of AI systems perpetuating or even amplifying existing societal biases.
Right.
If trained on data that reflects those biases, the AI's outputs and decisions could be skewed, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes.
So addressing bias in AI requires a multifaceted approach. It involves carefully curating training data
Right.
to ensure that it is representative and balanced, developing algorithms that are robust to bias, and implementing rigorous testing and evaluation procedures to identify and mitigate any potential biases. This is an ongoing challenge. It requires continuous vigilance and innovation.
Another important consideration is transparency.
Hmm.
As AI systems become more complex and their decision-making processes more opaque, it becomes crucial to understand how they arrive at their conclusions.
Right.
This transparency is essential for building trust in AI systems and ensuring that they are used responsibly and ethically.
Explainability in AI is a growing field of research. It involves developing techniques to make the reasoning processes of AI systems, more understandable to humans.
Yeah.
This could include generating natural language explanations of decisions, visualizing the factors that contributed to a particular outcome, or allowing human experts to kind of interact with the AI system and query its reasoning process.
Accountability is another crucial aspect of responsible AI development.
Uh-huh.
As AI systems become more autonomous and make decisions that impact human lives, it is essential to establish clear lines of responsibility. We need to determine who is accountable when an AI system makes an error or causes harm, and what mechanisms are in place to address such incidents.
The development of clear legal frameworks and ethical guidelines for AI is crucial
Right.
to ensure responsible development and deployment.
Yeah.
This includes establishing standards for data privacy, algorithmic accountability, and mechanisms for redress in case of AI-related harm.
As we integrate AI systems into our lives, the question of privacy becomes increasingly important. Reasoning AI systems, by their nature, require access to vast amounts of data to learn and function effectively.
Right.
This raises concerns about how this data is collected, stored, and used.
So protecting privacy in the age of AI requires a combination of technical and policy solutions.
Huh?
This includes developing privacy-preserving machine learning techniques that can learn from data without compromising individual privacy, implementing robust data security measures to prevent unauthorized access, and establishing clear regulations on data collection and usage.
The development of reasoning AI brings with it the potential for significant societal changes, including the automation of jobs.
Yeah.
As AI systems become capable of performing tasks that were previously done by humans, we need to anticipate the potential impact on the workforce.
So addressing the potential for job displacement requires proactive measures,
Hmm.
such as investing in education and retraining programs to equip workers with the skills needed for the jobs of the future, fostering entrepreneurship and innovation to create new job opportunities, and exploring policy options such as universal basic income to provide a safety net for those who are affected by automation.
While the prospect of job displacement may seem daunting, it's important to remember that throughout history, technological advancements have often led to new and different job opportunities. The key is to adapt and prepare for the changing landscape of work, embracing the potential for AI to create new and more fulfilling jobs.
The development and deployment of reasoning AI presents us with a unique opportunity to shape the future of society. It is essential that we approach this task with a deep understanding of the potential benefits and challenges, a commitment to responsible innovation, and a shared vision for a future where AI is used to enhance human well-being and promote social progress.
The journey of AI research is far from over, but the progress we have witnessed in the field of reasoning AI is truly remarkable.
Yeah.
The DeepSeek team's work provides a glimpse into the incredible possibilities that lie ahead, possibilities that could transform our lives in profound ways.
As we continue to explore the frontiers of AI research, we must prioritize transparency, accountability, and ethical considerations. The goal is not simply to create intelligent machines, but to develop AI systems that are aligned with human values and contribute to a better future for all.
The potential of reasoning AI is vast and far-reaching. It has the capacity to revolutionize education, accelerate scientific discovery, enhance our daily lives, and even help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems.
However, the path forward requires careful navigation. We must ensure that AI development is guided by ethical principles, that its benefits are shared equitably, and that its potential risks are mitigated responsibly.
The future of AI is a shared responsibility. It requires collaboration between researchers, policymakers, industry leaders, and the public to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a way that benefits all of humanity.
This collaborative approach, involves engaging in open and inclusive discussions about the ethical and societal implications of AI, developing clear guidelines and regulations, and fostering public understanding of this rapidly evolving technology.
DeepSeek AI's research has really opened our eyes to the remarkable possibilities of reasoning AI. Their work serves as a call to action, inspiring us to explore the frontiers of AI research with a sense of responsibility, a commitment to ethical principles, and a shared vision for a future where AI empowers humanity to reach new heights of understanding and achievement.
The journey of AI research is an ongoing process. a continuous quest for knowledge and innovation. And as we delve deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence, we must remain mindful of the profound implications of our creations, ensuring that AI remains a force for good in the world.
Well, thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of reasoning AI. We hope this exploration has sparked your curiosity, expanded your understanding, and inspired you to contemplate the possibilities and responsibilities that come with the advancement of artificial intelligence.